create a new document, 1920 by 1080 pixels, then locate the paintbrush tool from within the toolbar. Once you've found it, double click it to open the paintbrush options window. Drag the fidelity slider all the way to the right so we max out the smoothness, then click OK. Make sure the paintbrush tool is selected, then simply draw out a wave shape. You may need to do this a couple of times to get the shape right. Once you're happy with the shape, set the stroke weight to something a lot thicker, around 100 pixels. We can also set the cap type to round. To make sure the line is completely smooth, select the line, making sure all anchor points are selected, then go to Object, Path, Smooth. Drag the smoothness slider until you have a smooth, wavy line. Now select the width tool, the shortcut is Shift plus W, and go around the path, making some parts of the path thicker and some parts thinner. You just want a good variation of thickness, making sure the ends start off quite large. Once you're completely happy with the overall look, drag a copy of the shape off the artboard in case we need to go back to it later. With the shape on the artboard, we can now expand the path into a shape. To do this, select the path, then go to Object, Expand Appearance. While the shape is still selected, head over to the Pathfinder panel and select the Unite option. This will get rid of any overlapping paths created by the Expand Appearance operation. To make sure there are no odd leftover points or gaps in the shape, go to Object, Compound Path, Release, then highlight everything and use the Unite option one more time. Now apply a gradient to the shape using your chosen colour scheme. I'm using 3 colour stops on my gradient, starting with purple, transitioning to blue in the middle, then finishing with green. Once the gradient has been applied, right-click the shape and go to Copy, then right-click on the artboard and choose Paste in Place, or use the shortcut Shift, Ctrl and V. On the duplicated shape for now, let's remove the gradient and change it to a solid fill. This is just temporary while we work on the shape. Make sure the duplicate shape is selected, then go to Object, Path, Simplify. This will remove any additional anchor points that aren't needed. Now, using the Direct Selection tool, go around the shape and start pulling out the edges. Try to avoid disturbing the bottom set of anchor points, as we want a nice hard edge towards the bottom of the shape. Once you've started dragging out the points, you can send the duplicate shape behind the original by right-clicking and selecting Send to Back. You can also press Ctrl Y to enter Outline View, which may help you further. Once you're happy with the shape, go to Object, Path and select Smooth. Drag the slider in the contextual toolbar until the edges appear smooth. Less is more here. We don't want the shape to change too much and we want to retain the bottom paths as much as possible. Now select both shapes, then go to Object, Blend, Make. Double-click the Blend tool from within the toolbar and make sure the options are set to specified steps with around 70 to 150 steps. From within the Layers panel, select the Blend layer and open the layer stack using the small arrow. Select the second blend object by clicking the small circle to the right of the layer, then use the eyedropper tool, the shortcut is I, to pick the colour from the first blend object so the gradient is copied over. With the second blend object still selected, set the opacity to 0%. You should now see the desired effect. Select the blend, scale it up, combine it with a clipping mask and a background, and you should have something like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more graphic design tips and tricks. Give the video a like if you found this tutorial useful. And as always, until next time, I'll see you all in the next one.